Good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. It's the next day. Last night we got the excavator out here and kind of piled this burn pile up and moved a little bit of dirt around, worked on the trail a little bit with it, and this morning I'm going to pour a little diesel on this burn pile and try to get it burnt today. So that's what we're going to do now. May just walk around it, make sure there's a tree behind it, but I don't think it's going to interfere with that. So let's see if I can get this thing started. Got a little bit of diesel here we'll put on it. I would normally try to get this in the trailer, just haul it off, but it's a little bit far away and try to get it dragged down the hill with the excavator. So we're just gonna burn it off today. I think that's gonna take off. Just need that hot to get, the middle to get hot. Should be able to feed it all day. Kind of went down. I need that rip roaring. Stuff is pretty wet out here. It's been snowing. Got a couple of days of dry, but pretty wet. Well, that's not looking too good. This is why sometimes it's easier just to haul it off. Our county lets us take yard material up there like this. They don't charge you anything. Anything else they charge you for, charged by the weight, but this stuff they do not. Well, this is not looking too good. I don't know. Ain't looking too good. I thought that was going to take off for me. Well, this is not working very well at all. Huh. I didn't think it was that wet. It just is not taking off. I really don't want to pour any more diesel on it. That's why it's sometimes easier just to load it up in the trailer and take it to the dump. That stinks. Alright, well, let me figure out plan B and I'll be back. Well, this is not going so well. We got a lot of smoke and not a whole lot of flame at all. So I don't know if we're going to be able to burn this today or not. We have to go on to plan B. So I don't know, we'll see here. I'm going to mess with it a little bit longer, but there's some smoke, but no flame. Alright, I've been out here messing with this thing for about an hour. I actually have flame now. I've just been keeping the blower on it. Always had a little flame at the bottom, so I got the DeWalt blower. Actually ran out one of my big batteries and onto another battery now. So we'll let it go, see if it doesn't get going. I got the excavator warming up there. I'm going to jump on it and move some stuff around up here. I'm working on the trail that we're going to put around the property. We're going to put wood chips down on the outside of the property line, make a trail. So that's what I'm working on now. We'll keep an eye on that fire. Some pretty good smoke now. Hopefully it'll go. We'll just stay over in this area, clean up a little bit more. Fire's still burning over there. Got some good smoke. So what I'm working on here again is the trail that we're going to put around the property. There's that. I'm trying to turn this corner and clean this corner up and go down the top of this embankment here. And we're going to take the trail down there, but I got to clean a lot of it out. Debating whether to put it on the material on that side so I can put it in the dump trailer, or put it on this side and maybe burn it. I don't know. I'm not having good luck with burning. So anyway, let me go put you in front and see what I'm doing here. Alright, slow go, but we're getting it cleaned slowly. Alright, I kind of worked my way down there and got that cleaned up down there. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go check on this fire. I still see smoke over there. I may have to bring the excavator back over to pile more on top of it, but still smoking there. See that? So making a little bit of progress. Beautiful day. I think today's high is supposed to be 40. So we'll get down here and check this fire and see what we got here. Alright, that did actually pretty good. Burn the middle of it out. I think I will. I think I'll go grab some lunch, and then when I come back I'll get the excavator back down here and we'll kind of load this back up. But man, that took a long time to get started. That stuff's awful wet. But we're making a dent in it now. Alright, I made my way back over here with the excavator. I'm just going to start piling some more of this brush up on top. It was a little sketchy getting down here, but we got down here. So we'll get this piled back up. The rest of it burn. Alright, we're making some pretty good progress on this. Just wish it would have been easier to start. It ended up taking all day. Well, we pretty much got this fire licked. Got quite a bit of stuff on it. Thinking about digging a hole and putting all this debris in. It's just stuff that won't burn, full of dirt and logs and I don't know what else. Rocks. Think about digging a hole, putting it in there and covering it up. I think we pretty much got this licked. Took forever to get that fire started, but we got it. That trail is going to go right up between those two trees up there. Right between those trees. And I'm hoping I can get out here and level where the trail is going to be out, get it more level, and then put wood chips. And then we're going to put a border on it with these logs that we have here laying around. So that's what we're working towards. Slowly but surely. It's a mess out here. But mission accomplished. Fire took care of it. Alright, it's just about got everything burned. I did end up digging a hole. Put all that crap in. Here's the dirt. I didn't make the hole big enough, so I'm gonna clear out next to the fire and then I'll push what's ever left of the fire into the hole tomorrow. But it's just too wet to work this dirt yet. I'm just kind of slipping. But anyway, did get the hole dug. That's a good idea, is digging a hole and then burying that stuff, and then I'll put topsoil on it. This is just going to be the trail up here, so no chance of ever building up here. But anyway, I think that's going to be about it for today. Glad we got that fire started. And I'm going to go in there and edit a video and try to get something released. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Please take the time to like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you don't mind. I appreciate you watching this. Y'all take care.